third scenario is it's a situation where it could potentially lead to an engagement with law enforcement, a case of child abuse. What you would say to someone who is questioning your parenting skills, whether or not you are abusing your child or someone who you take advantage of. Those I think people oftentimes don't think about that and they're caught off guard. And in the trauma of a moment, you can either respond in anger or you can respond as an educator. I can tell you from experience, it always goes better if you respond as an educator, using that as an opportunity to educate. But if your emotions are high, it's going to be what it's going to be. Well, hopefully you can have practice. You can be an educator in that situation.
Michelle offered to demonstrate the law enforcement scenario.
Oh, perfect.
Michelle, you want to go?
Thank you, Lynn. Oh my gosh, officer, I'm so glad that you're here. I really appreciate your concern and what you might think, but my son has severe hemophilia. It's a rare bleeding disorder. Are you familiar with it?
No, what is that?
Oh, well, his blood doesn't clot, and so he gets bruises. See this bump? Feel it. You see that bump underneath? It's called a hematoma. I know it looks really scary and I have to bring him to the doctor. I'm sorry I was speeding, but I'm late for his hemophilia treatment center visit and I really want the doctor to look at it because he needs to get his treatment and it's by IV. And I was so stressed and nervous by his bleed that I missed his vein. I know, can you believe it? I actually have to take a needle and do the IV infusion myself. And I have to do this 3 times a week to give him his life-saving medicine, but I missed because I was so stressed and nervous. Maybe
ma'am, don't say another word. I'll escort you to the treatment center.
Oh my gosh, thank you. You are the best. Thank you so much. And remember, I really appreciate that you look for these terrible, egregious situations of potential child abuse, but also remember that there are people who might have some kind of medical reason for these bruises and scary looking things on their kid, but rest assured that is not my situation.
You've educated me greatly. I'll spread the word to the entire force.